students, how are you? We have done up to question number 3 of exercise 5.3. In today's video, we will continue our exercise 5.3. We will start from question number 4. So, let's see what is given in question number 4. How many terms? How many means? What we have to find? N. How many terms of the AP? AP is given 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636 means it is SN. Now what we have to find in this question? We have to find number of terms. How many terms means dear students? Number of terms. इस वीडियो में इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करनी है. And what is given? Our given AP is 9, 17, 25. And we have to find the value of n. Must be taken. हम कितनी number of terms लें कि हमें जो sum है Sn वो 636 मिले. Now what we will do? First of all, see formulas. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. These we have to find. We will use these formulas in this question. One more formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. These three formulas we are studying in this chapter, so we will use these formulas. Now, from this AP, we will find value of A. What is the value of A? 9. D. How we will find D? We will subtract preceding term from next term. पहले वाली term को उसकी next term से subtract करेंगे. Means D will equal to 17 minus 9 means it is equal to 8. And we have to find, and this Sn is given. Now come to these formulas, dear students. What is given? Sn is given. Means we have to choose any of these two formulas. Now how many things are given? A and D. A, अब A इस formula में भी है, इस formula में भी है. Now D is given. D is in this formula, not in this. Means we will choose this formula. हम Sn का ये formula use करेंगे. Now from here Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? 636. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a. And what is the value of a, dear students? 9 plus n minus 1. D is given, and what is the value of D? 8. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 nines are 18 plus 8 into n, 8n plus minus 8 ones are 8. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8, yes, 10 plus 8n. Now we can observe that in these two terms 2 is common. Then taking 2 as common, what will left? 5 plus 4n, and it is equal to 636. 2 cancel out. From here 636 is equal to n into 5 plus 4n. Now we will solve these. 636 is equal to n into 5, 5n plus n into 4n, 4n square. Now 4n square plus 5n, this 636 will become of minus, and it is equal to 0. factorization method or quadratic formula for finding the value of n. So 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now dear students, multiply minus 636 by 4. What we will get? Minus, plus minus, minus. 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1 carry, 6 4 are, or 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Now, we have to do the factors of 2544 such that on adding we get 5n. Now, it is of minus and here plus sign is there. अब प्रोडक्ट करें तो हमें नंबर मिल रहा है माइनस में और ऐड करें तो नंबर हमें मिल रहा है प्लस में. नाउ कम टू द टेबल व्हिच वी हैव डन इन सेकंड चैप्टर. अगर सम प्लस में है, प्रोडक्ट माइनस में है, देन लार्जर फैक्टर विल बी ऑफ प्लस एंड स्मॉलर फैक्टर विल बी ऑफ माइनस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू फैक्टर्स 2544. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 17, 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 18s are. Now 2 1s are 1 remainder, 2 5s are 2 9s are. From here 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15 means 15 is divisible by 3. Then 159 is also divisible by 3. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Now 53 is divisible by 53 itself because it is a prime number. Now do factors. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So from here we get factors 53 and 48. Now 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now, what is common in these two first terms? N. What will left? 4n plus 53. Now, from here, what is common? 12. Minus 12. Minus 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 common. This 48 and 636 both are divisible by 12. So, taking 12 as common. What will left inside? 12 4s are 48, 4n. Minus minus plus will come. 12 5s are 60, 3 remainder, 36 it will become, and 12 3s are 36 and it is equal to 0. Now 4n plus 53 is equal to, into n minus 12 is equal to 0. From here 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. 4n is equal to minus 53, n is equal to minus 53 by 4. And number of terms cannot be negative and cannot be in fraction. जो number है, number ना तो हमें fraction में मिलेगा, ना ही वो number of terms negative हो सकती. So this value is rejected. We will reject this value. Now taking next bracket, n minus 12 is equal to 0, n is equal to 12. So from here we get the value of n. And n is number of terms. So when we are taking 12 terms of this AP, then we will get sum as 636. So what we will write? So number of terms is equal to 12. Dear students, these questions are similar to question number 3rd. These all which we will do in today's class, these all are similar to question number 3rd. We have to find the missing values using these three formulas. We will use these three formulas. We have to find the missing value. Now in this question what is given? AP is given 9, 17, 25 so on, and SN is given, and we have to find the value of n. So from here we get A is equal to 9, D is equal to 17 minus 9 means 8. Using SN formula we have to find the value of n. So on calculation we get a quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. by using middle term splitting method or by quadratic formula. We can use any of these two methods. When I am multiplying these, what I am getting? Minus 2544. On doing factorization, I get factors. Means on multiplying 53 and 48, we will get 2544. And on adding these, means one will be of plus and one will be of minus. Because 53 into minus 8 will be the factors of this minus 254. Because when we multiply this plus minus, only when we get the minus. That's why this 53 n will be of plus and 48 n is of minus. So on solving this, we get n is equal to 12. So number of terms are 12. This is our question number 4. Dear students, question number 5 of this exercise. Very easy question these are. I am repeating one thing. These questions are similar to question number 3. We have to find missing terms only. Now, what is given in question number 5? The first term of an AP is 5 and we represent first term by A. It means what is given? A is equal to 5. I am writing here A is equal to 5 is the given. And the last term is 45. Last term. We represent last term by L or An and it is equal to 45. Now, their sum is, means we don't know about number of terms and we are having sum. Means this Sn is equal to 400. Now, what we have to do? Find the number of terms. Dear students, what we have to find? To find n, number of terms, and common difference d. Means in this question we have to find two things. First is number of terms and second is common difference. Which formulas we will use here? These three formulas. Now come to the point. What is given? In solution part, come to the point. What is given? Sn given, An given, A given. Now check formulas here. Sn given, A given, An given, and we have to find the value of n. So we can choose this formula. Yes, come to this point here. Sn is equal to 400. Then by formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An and it is equal to 400. Now we have to find the value of n. This n by 2 into A. What is the value of A, dear students? 5 plus An. What is the value of An? 45 into 400. Now n by 2 into, we can choose these brackets. 45 plus 5, 50 is equal to 400. And from here, n into 25 is equal to 400. Now n is equal to 400 divided by 25. Now on dividing, 25 2s are 50, it will be more than 25 1s are 25, and 40 minus 25 we will get 15. So from here 150 it will become, and 25 6s are 150. So from here we get the value of n, and this n is equal to 16. Now what we have to find? We have to find this d. Now dear students, हमें n भी मिल गया है, a भी मिल गया है. n मिल गया, a मिल गया, d मिल गया, an पता है, sn पता है. Sorry, d we have to find, an पता है, sn पता है. Now choose which formula you will use. an पता है, a पता है, n पता है. d easily find out कर सकते हैं. Okay, come to this formula. sn पता है, n पता है, a पता है, n पता है. ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी इजी टू यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू कैलकुलेशन. सो आई एम यूजिंग an formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of a, dear students? 45 is equal to a. What is a? 5 plus n. What is the value of n? 16. 16 minus 1 into d. Now 45. This plus 5 will become minus 5 is equal to 15 into d. From here 45 minus 5, 40 is equal to 15d, and d is equal to 40 divided by 15 means 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So d is equal to 8 by 3. So common difference is equal to 8 by 3. These two things we have to find. Yes dear students, what we are doing, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ चेक कर रहे हैं हमें क्या क्या गिवन है, और जो वैल्यूज गिवन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम इन तीन फॉर्मूलाज में से फॉर्मूला चूज कर रहे हैं, और उस फॉर्मूला में गिवन वैल्यू पुट करके जो डिजायर्ड वैल्यू जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वो हम फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस दीज आर डियर स्टूडेंट्स. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a, n or d. So depending on given values we are choosing the formula and we are finding the required terms. This is our question number 5. Next question, question number 6. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. Sums like to question number 5. What is given? First term a is equal to 17. Last term means L or N, and it is equal to 350. If the common difference is 9, now here value of d is given and it is equal to 9. Now for how many terms? How many means kitni terms? Means we have to find the value of n. Means what we have to find? To find n and what is their sum means we have to find Sn. Now depending on these values, first of all choose the formula. A given and we have to find b given an. Firstly we will use this formula, and using this formula we will find the value of n. Now after getting the value of n we have to find the Sn. For Sn we can choose any of these formulas because we will get the value of n. n मिल जाएगा. A given है, an given है, then you can choose any of these two formulas and you can solve this questions. So dear students, do this question yourself. I am not explaining this question. It is very easy questions. You have find the value of n from this formula, and choosing any of these two formulas you have to find the value of Sn. So do it yourself. Yes dear students, now next question, question number 7. What is given in question number 7? Find the sum of first 22 terms. Means in this question what we have to find? To find sum of first 22 terms means we have to find S22. And from here n is equal to 22 is given. Of an AP in which d is equal to 7, d is equal to 7 is given, and 22nd term means A22 is equal to 149. These things are given and we have to find S22. So come to the formula. We have to find Sn. Sn find out करना है. Now Sn के लिए n की रिक्वायरमेंट है, n दोनों ही फॉर्मूलाज में है. ए की रिक्वायरमेंट है दोनों और ए दोनों ही फॉर्मूलाज में है एंड वी डोंट नो अबाउट ए, हमें तो ए के बारे में पता ही नहीं है। नाउ एंड 22 डी 7, अगर हम ये फॉर्मूला चूज करते हैं तब भी हमें ए के बारे में पता होना चाहिए एंड इफ वी आर चूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला देन ए डोंट नो ए एन मीन्स A22 is 149 is given. So for using any of these two formulas we require A. It means first of all we have to find value of A. हमें सबसे पहले यहाँ पर A की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। Now question is how we have to find the value of A. हम यहाँ पर A की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? Now come to first formula. ए एन गिवन है, एन गिवन है, डी गिवन है, ए की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। मीन्स डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल क्वेश्चंस इन दीज क्वेश्चन दीज थ्री फॉर्मूलाज आर इंटरलिंक्ड, तीनों के तीनों फॉर्मूला क्या इंटरलिंक्ड है। इन तीनों फॉर्मूलाज में से किन्हीं भी फॉर्मूलाज का यूज करके हम मिसिंग टर्म्स को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। अब यहाँ पे आपसे डायरेक्टली ए की वैल्यू पूछी नहीं गई है बट we have to find the value of A also, हमें A की वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट करनी है। So we will use AN formula here. Solution because AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes, what is the value of AN? And N is 22 means A22 is 149 is equal to A we have to find plus N is 22 minus 1 into D is 7. Now 149 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1, 22 minus 1, 21 into 7. 149 is equal to A plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Now A will equal to 149 minus 147 and A will equal to 2. So from here we get the value of A, means our first term of given AP is A. Now S22 we have to find. S22 will equal to 22 by 2 A plus AN. AN is 149. I am using third formula here. So S22 will equal to 22 divided by 2, 11. Multiply by 149 plus 2, 151. Now do multiplication. 11 ones are 11. 1 carry. 11 fives are 55. 55 plus 1, 56. 5 carry. 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So sum of 22 terms is 1661. Very easy question. These are what is given. Number of terms is 22. D is given and 22nd term is 149. Using these information we have to find the value of S22. But for S22 we require A also because A is our first term and in all formulas A is required. So first of all, using this formula we will find the value of A. After finding the value of A we have to find S and all values are given. A given, N given, D. A we have find, N given, D given, N given. So we can choose any of these two formulas and I am choosing third one. So S22 is 1661. This is our question number 7. Dear students, next question, question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms, means this is the value of N. And we have to find the sum of first 51 terms means what is given? Yes, dear students, what is given in this question? Sum of first 50 terms we have to find, means 51 terms means N is equal to 51 is given. N is equal to 51 is given. And what we have to find? S51. Okay. Now come to next line. Of an AP whose second and third term. Second term is A2 of SN formula, N is given, A required, N is given, D required. A और D required है, ना तो A है ना D है. If we are choosing this formula, A required, AN required, ना A given है ना AN given है. So what we will do now? क्या करेंगे? Come to these two information. We will use these two informations. How we will use? A2 is given. A2 is equal to 14. And using this AN formula, A2 is equal to A plus D. A plus D is equal to 14. Equation number 1. I am considering it equation number 1. Now, next point is A3. Means third term of given AP is 18. And using AN formula, A3 will equal to A plus 2D. And this A plus 2D is equal to 18. And it is equation number 2. So, from first and second, what we will do, from here we get two equations, means pair of linear equations in two variable, means A plus D is equal to 14 and A plus 2D is equal to 18. Using these equations, we have to find the value of A and D, because for finding SN both are required. So, come to recall your chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. Elimination method, cross multiplication method. We can choose any of these three methods for solving these equations. I am using elimination method. In elimination method, first of all we compare coefficients. So, on subtracting, what we will get? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. A minus A cancel out, plus D minus 2D minus D is equal to plus 14 minus 18 minus 4 minus minus cancel out, D is equal to 4. From here we get the value of D, and D is our common difference. And now we have to find the value of A. How we will find? We can put this value of D in any of these two equations so that we can find the value of A. Now, putting the value of D in equation. Suppose I am putting in equation number 1. Then this A plus, what is the value of D? 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 minus 4 means A is equal to 10. So, our first term is 10. Dear students, what I have done? What is given? Our second term is given. Our third term is given. So, using these two terms, we have to find the value of A and D. We know that A2 can be written as A plus D using this AN formula. And this A plus D is equal to 14. A3 is A plus 2D and it is equal to 18. So, solving these two equations, I am using elimination method. A plus D is equal to 14. A plus 2D is equal to 18. On subtracting, sign will change. A minus A cancel out. D minus 2D minus D is equal to 14 minus 18 means minus 4. So, D is equal to 4. Means D is common difference. So, what is the value of common difference? 4. Now, using this value, I will find the value of A. How? I can put this value of D in any of these two equations. Suppose I am putting in first equation, and our first equation is A plus D is equal to 14. Then A plus 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14. This plus 4 will become minus 4. And A is equal to 10. This is our first term. We have to find the value of S51, means sum of first 51 terms. So, we know that Sn is equal to, now which formula we will choose, dear students? A given, A we have find, D we have find, and is given. A and D formula. means second formula equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value of these a and d as 51 will equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into a. What is the value of a, dear students? 10 plus what is the value of n? 51 minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? 4. And it is equal to 51 by 2 into 10 to the 20 plus 50, because 51 minus 1 50 into 4, 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54 the 200. Now 51 by 2, on adding these we will get 220. Now dividing this 220 by 2 we will get 110. Now do multiplication. 0, 11 ones are 11, 1 carry, 11 fives are 55, 55 plus 1, 56. So this as 51 will equal to 5610. It means sum of first 50 terms of this AP is 5610. Dear students, what we have done? हमने किया क्या है? जो वैल्यूज गिवन है सिर्फ उनका यूज किया है, और कहाँ किया है? इन 3 फॉर्मूलाज में. अब वो फॉर्मूला कैसे चूज करना है? जो वैल्यू गिवन है उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला चूज करेंगे और किस तरह से वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. अब देखिए, हमें x51 फाइंड आउट करना है, मींस सम फाइंड आउट करना है. सम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें फर्स्ट टर्म भी पता होनी चाहिए, कॉमन डिफरेंस भी पता होना चाहिए. अब हमें सबसे पहले तो ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि हम a और d कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ये देखना पड़ेगा ना कि भाई a यानी कि फर्स्ट टर्म और d यानी कि कॉमन डिफरेंस हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो we can see here a2 and a3 is given. So using these values we will find the value of a and d. a और d की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. After finding these values we will use this SN formula, and after putting these values of a and d in this SN formula we are getting the sum of first 51 terms, and it is equal to 5610. It is about question number 8.